Hello everyone, I am Yami, Department of CSE, SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to explain about a tree, that is a tree structure. In a tree structure, a tree is widely used abstract data type that represents a hierarchical tree structure with a set of connected nodes, that is a tree. Next one is a node. What is node means? A basic element of a tree that contains a data. For example, each circle in a tree diagram is a node. 1 is a node, 2 is a node, 3 is a node, 4 is a node, 5 is a node, 6 is a node, 7 is also a node. This is a node that contains a data. Next one, a root node. Root is a unique node. It is a topmost node in a tree. The starting point of the tree. In a family tree, the grandfather could be a root node. Here, the 1 is a root node for this node. Next one, parent node. A node that has child node connected to it. For example, one is a parent of 2, 3 and then 4, and 3 is a parent of 5, 4 is a parent of 6 and 7. Next one, child node. In a child node, a node that comes from a parent node. Here, the child node is 2, 5, 6 and then 7. This is the last node in a tree. This is a child node. The next one is a leaf node. Leaf node is a external node. It is a terminal node of the tree, a node with no children. For example, 2, 5, 6 and then 7. These nodes are leaf nodes. Next one, degrees of tree. In a degrees of tree, number of children and node has degrees of tree. That is, a total number of subtree is attached to that node is called degrees of tree. For example, here the tree 1 have a 3 child node. The degrees of tree in a 1 is 3. Next one, 4. For 4, there are 2 child. The degrees of node is 2. Next, 3. 3 have a 1 child. In a 3, degrees of tree is 1. In a 5, degrees of tree is 0. The next one, degrees of tree. The height degree of all the node in a tree, that is a maximum degree in a tree, is called the degrees of tree. The maximum degree means this is a maximum 1 to 2 and 2 to 7. This is a maximum degree in a tree. The degrees of tree is 2. The next one is a level of the tree. The level of the tree, the root node is always considered at a level 0. Next, the children at level 1 and so on. For example, the root node is level 0. The next hierarchical node is level 1. The next node is level 2. This is an level of tree. Next one is a height of the tree. The height of the tree is height of the root node, that is a longest path from root to node. That is example, the longest path from 1, that is an 1 to 4 and then 4 to 7. This is the longest path. The height of the tree is 2. The next one is an internal node and external node. In internal node, a node that has at least one child is called an internal node. The node that has no children is called an external node. In internal node 3, 4 is an internal node. In external node is a 2, 5, 6 and then 7. This is an internal node and external node. The next one is a sibling. In a sibling, the common parent for each child is a sibling. The node that shares the same parent, here 2 is a sibling for 3. Next 3 is a sibling for 4. 1 is a common parent for 2, 3 and then 4. This is a sibling of node. Next one, general tree. In a general tree, it is a non-linear data structure. One node is a root. Every other node has exactly one parent. The node can have 0 or more children. That is a no restriction. Here, general tree, A has a 3 children, that is more than 2 children. This is an general tree. Next one, a binary tree. In a binary tree, this is a special type of tree which each node can have at the most 2 children. The children are called left child, right child. That means no node in a binary tree can have more than 2 children. That is a binary tree. Next one, full binary tree. In a full binary tree, it is a special type of binary tree in which every node either 0 or 2 children. For example, here, that is 1 has a 2 child, 3 has no child. So 0 or 2 children is called a full binary tree. Next one is a complete binary tree. In a complete binary tree, at the level are completely filled except possibly that last level. In a last level, node are as left as possible, filled from left to right and no gap, that is filled with left to right and no gap. This is a complete binary tree. Thank you.